So don't be afraid, you're safe here. No, these arms won't let you break. I put up a sign in the clouds so they all know that we ain't ever coming down. I'm trying so hard not to let it show.